Jai Hind friends, we have covered 3 coordination connectors in last lesson, so now we will learn 3 more connectors in this lesson. So let's proceed. First connector is but. This connector is preferred to explain the correct subject and generally indicate contrast. It usually indicates an unexpected situation after the first sentence. In some cases, it is also to mean excluding. For example, students work hard, but students cannot pass the maths exam. Second, I want to go the party, but I am also tired. Second is it. It is a very important connector. It is used to accurately describe a particular situation and mean to express contrast. For example, you have been working in this office for more than 15 years, yet you don't like to work here. Second, I don't like rain, yet I live in the state with most rainfall. Third is so. This is a coordination connector that needs attention, used to describe the conclusion part of a topic or situation. It usually indicates results. For example, you are right, of course, so I think we will accept what the bank offers. Second, she was stuck in a small dark room when she was little, so she is afraid of the small dark room. Jai Hind.
Yeah.